cheese makes everything taste nice, right?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing or making is stuffed mushrooms. So stay tuned, see how that goes and what it is all about. But before any of that, I need you guys to smash the subscribe button, then flip it over to Instagram, follow me there as well, and let's begin the show. Okay, so here's what you want to do. Start off with 1 piece of chicken breast. You just want to make sure that there's no fat in there. There is no bits of bone and stuff, or bits that you wouldn't want to eat really. That's the thing I want to try and get to you. Now what you want to do is chop these really finely, okay? In this scenario, this is what you want to do. As you can see, I've sharpened up my knife really well today. So it's just cutting through it like it's going through butter. And there you go. Beautiful, beautiful. You want to dice these, but you want to try and miniature dice these, you know, because you're only going to put them in mushrooms. So something like that, if you can have the patience. I'm sure I will run out of patience when I'm like maybe halfway through, but I'm going to try my best to cut it as small as I can without having to lose so much patience. Even that little piece there, go in the middle, divide it in half, job done, mate. Yeah, get that in here. Look at that. Now that's that. We'll get rid of that. That's this part. Now, let me show you the mushrooms that I've got. It's these. All of these, alright? Now, what I need to do, get myself a little knife and chop out, yeah, just that. Take it all out. It's all part of the mushroom, so you don't really want to throw it away. Yeah, you just want to cut the thing down as much as you can, but try not to damage that bit in the inside. Now, bring all of this back in. Okay. None of it's going to go to waste, right? And you just simply want to chop it all up. Okay. Now keep going at it a few times to get it all nice and broken down into little small pieces, just like your chicken. You don't want any, you know, big pieces, because there's only so much that you can put on the mushroom already. Now if a big piece wants to go on there, it would just, you know, it wouldn't be a lot of space left. So take your time with it. Yeah, it's looking, let me just go around it. Just like so. Try not to spill, obviously, because it will just make a mess, and cleaning up is long. Don't like doing that. Who likes cleaning up? Let me know. Comment below if you think cleaning sucks. Get some olive oil. Stick it in the pan, not too much. You just want to make it go all the way around and round, okay? And then, where is it? you want to get your spoon and you just want to dash the chicken in there. Okay. That's that. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to add the mushrooms in there at the same time because they give out water. Okay. So let everything cook up. Okay. That's that. Turn on the heat. Mix it all up so it, you know, it all gets oily and that. Let it do its thing. Right, as you can see, our chicken and mushrooms are cooking up nicely. Now I've got some, what is this? Cheddar cheese, which I'll be grating thinly, perhaps. Okay, can you guys see that? Yeah, just make sure you guys get a good view. Okay, you just want to grate it, preferably thin. You can do thick as well, it doesn't really matter, I'm just being picky. But yeah, just trying not to break the cheese. Do as much as you like, because cheese makes everything taste nice, right? Should be good. I'm gonna leave that. Let's see if that's gonna be enough. Let me just taste some, see what it's like. This is apparently smoked. Yeah. Don't see what the hype was about. I don't think the normal one was good. Put that to the side. Don't need it just yet. I'm just gonna switch it off now. Okay. And here's what you want to do. Get rid of that. If I can bloody open it. Oh mate, these are, yeah, these, oh, get yourself, get some peppers in there, get plenty of that because they give out a good taste, especially these crushed ones like this. It's just amazing, you know. Depending on your preference, I guess. I mean, you don't have to go as much as I did, but there you go. Put a nice pinch of salt in there to give it that good taste. Okay. Don't be too shy with it. Not a lot, but don't be shy either. Okay. That's that. Moving on, a dash of paprika. Okay. And now we're going to give it actually some mayo. Oh, that wasn't me, I promise. Okay, that's just that. Take it off the heat and then mix it all up. Now, instead of mayo, you could use a dash of cream. Okay, but I just prefer to use that because it just gives it more taste, and it's more kind of like gooey-ish. I don't know. Yeah, there's that. If you do need more mayo to make it more gooey, can you hear that noise? Yeah. If you need more mayo, add it to make it that, and obviously, yeah. It'll just bring things out and make it nice. Right, we are ready for the next step, which is believe it or not. Putting these bad boys in your baking tray. Right, let's get rid of that. Where's the spoon at? Here's what you want to do. Grab yourself a spoon. Try and just fill up the bad boy. Yeah? Next. That's that. Okay. Lovely. Here's what you want to do. Eat that. Can you guys see, by the way, or not? How about now? Right, there's that. Right, you see, remember our cheese? Dash some on top. I'll tell you what, let me take it off so it doesn't make a big mess. Because when this cheese melts and it sticks to the base, it's just annoying to clean up. So let me bring it closer. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Get some cheese, dab it on. Try to cover the chicken if you can. Okay. As you can see. Right, and that is that. Give that 10 minutes or even less, 5 to 10 minutes in the oven. Keep an eye on it until it melts. And then it's been about 5 minutes or so. Let's see what we've done. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Simple as. Just place that there. All I'm going to do is just to garnish it, give it some colour. Yeah. Let me just turn that off. Just a bit more. Pinch of this, pinch of that. Boom! Right? Now, time to get the old plate. Start. Placing them in there. Lift it up gently. Oh no, that one dropped. I'm gonna eat that one. So, that was. Yeah, boy. That. There's that. Let's just try and space it out, shall we? What's going on there? Get that. Guys. Just trying to space it out, that's all. There's that. Okay, now the final garnish. Just get some parsley on the side, in between, just to fill up the gaps. And obviously just put like a little leaf here and there. Just drop it on as it's just falling on, you know. Nothing too fancy. Done. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your stuffed mushrooms, chicken and mushroom, just stuffing basically. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come